Hey everybody, Sean here, and welcome to Revealing Truth. Most of us know that Mike Todd is nothing but a showman. And if you aren't aware of this, then you can check out his playlist here on Revealing Truth to see just how bad it really is. And in today's video, we're going to see more of the same. This is just a short clip from The Dissenter, so we'll watch it in full and comment after.
So this is a temple, okay? I'm gonna move this out the way because we don't need these clothes no more. I need everybody to see this. Yeah. If this is the temple, the house of God, I'm just gonna start acting how we be acting with our bodies in the house. My favorite is Chinese food and ketchup. Why are you so bothered? Who gonna clean it? Yeah, this is just the house of God. It's just a house. It's just a house. Just a house. Who cares? I lift my hands in the sanctuary. I lift my hands to give you the glory. I lift my hands to give praise, and we will praise you. Don't care so much. It's just a temple. Syrup all over the communion. Don't care so much. Over the Bible too. Yo, stop acting like you care about this. Stop acting like this matters to you. On the picture, I need to do some artwork on the picture. See? Uh-oh, come on. Oh, come on, oh. Ah. Ooh. When I got into the mess, it affected the way I walk outside of it. Is a Subway sandwich a foot long? Dang. I hope I didn't hit a band member. It's just a temple. Stop acting bothered. You don't care. You don't care. We don't care about this. Ugh. 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 What'd you say? We get it. No, you don't. It's been 40 years. It's been 50 years. It's been 15 years of not caring about our temple. Why do you care about these 8 chairs and these symbols of Christianity when it's not even the place where the Holy Spirit is dwelling? I am the temple of the Holy Spirit.
So he went to all that trouble and wasted money on food that could have actually fed people just to make his point that the church isn't the temple of God and that we are? And then he does that to the Bible as well? A physical temple and our body as the temple of God has nothing to do with God's written word. I understand his over-the-top comparison to a building and our bodies, but disgracing God's written word was absolutely unnecessary. So why did he do it? My friends, this is a perfect example of clowns entertaining goats. And if you can't see that, I pray God opens your eyes. There's lots online you can find exposing this man, so please do the research yourself and quit supporting this false representative of Jesus. And with that being said, leave your comments below, and until next time, take care and God bless.